Hi. Yes, in this video, we will be ratting gold ease alarms. Also, 54.8% of you who watch my video haven't subscribed, so definitely do know so. Anyways, let's get into our first alarm. Guatemala 1902. This played when the 1902 Guatemala earthquake happened on the 18th April. Saudi Arabia 1991. This played when a Scud missile was launched during the Gulf War. Japan 1945. This played after the nuclear bombs from USA were launched to Japan. Iraq 1991. I guess this played during the Gulf War. North Korea 1950. This played when the Korean War happened. South Korea 1950. This also played cause of the Korean War. But wait, that's not it. I have a bonus one I'm rating. Subscribe, let's try and reach 50 subs by June of 2022. Also, at 100k subs, you'll be doing a face review.